A UTME physics problem, and it tells us that an aircraft attempt to fly due north at 100 kilometers an hour. If the wind blows against it from east to west at 60 kilometers per hour, what will be its resultant velocity? So the first thing we need to do is that we need to draw the direction of the intended direction of the aircraft. So let me say pointing in this direction, let me call that direction north. Now it's 100 kilometers per hour. Let me save the unit for now. But the wind is blowing from east to west at 60 degrees. So let my right hand side be east and let my left hand side be west. So the wind is blowing in this direction, and that is at 60 kilometers per hour. So the question is that what will be its resultant velocity? Of course, this is its starting point. The resultant velocity will definitely go in this direction. So we have this place will be the resulting velocity. So this is quite easy because for the magnitude, we can just get the magnitude of the resultant velocity. The resultant velocity, since this forms a right angle triangle as we can see here, the resultant velocity is going to be the square root of 60 squared plus 100 squared. So when two vectors are perpendicular to each other, to find the result or their resultant magnitude, just use Pythagoras theorem. And if you do this very well, this 60 raised to power 2, that is 3,600. So 3,600 plus 100 squared, that would be so doing the two together, we have the result of 20 root 34. That is 20 root 34, which is approximately 117 kilometers per hour. So that's the magnitude of the resultant velocity. Now, we need to find the direction. Basically, we need to solve for this angle theta. To solve for this angle theta, all we have to do is that we know we have 100. This 100 belongs to, it does not belong to, this 100 belongs here. So let me just put it here. So in this place now, we have two components. We have the opposite to the angle and we have the adjacent to the angle. So we can use tan theta equals the opposite is 60 and then the adjacent is 100. So that implies that theta will be the arctan of 60 over 100. And then that is the arctan of 0.6. The arctan of 0.6 would give us, so let me press that on my calculator, arctan of 0.6. That is approximately 31 degrees. But that 31 degrees just here, if you look at it, this place we are going in the north direction. This is the north direction, and this other place is the west direction. So it's deviating away from the north and going towards the west. So this is a northwest direction. So that is like north 31 degree west. Or perhaps you can say 31 degrees west of north. Any of these would properly give the direction. This is the magnitude of the resulting velocity, and this is the direction of the resulting velocity. Don't forget to subscribe and like. I'll see you in the next one.